steering.
Right.
What do you think? I mean, this is. I mean, the gap is like.
I'm not gonna move. Whoops. Wrong way.
That's tricky.
Yeah, I'm not being gentle.
I mean, we might not have to cross the ditch.
That's it.
Now we need like 3 more feet.
Yeah.
We basically have to go into the ditch. That's
Alright,
well, I think the safest thing is 2 wheels. 2 wheels on either side. I mean, yeah, front wheels over the ditch.
okay, guys. Looks like I've got the babying in the babying the arm.
Okay.
You can make it not jerk. You just have to be really careful
You
about
just have
doing
to-
so. Oh God.
Oh, yeah.
What?
I saw that.
I totally just stuck my hand in the grease that's squirting out of this thing.
Oh, I thought that was blood.
Really viscous blood, yeah.
I can't go from there.
Yeah, they fucking grease the little up and down thing, and you go to steering.
Wheels moving.
How cool is this?
No, this is like the exact right thing. Okay,
You want to go for a 50-foot ride?
Spoil for it.
Fine. What a easy.
This thing weirds me out. It doesn't seem to have an e-brake. I think like you turn it off and it's just like, yeah, fuck you, I ain't spinning these tires anymore. It's just like the whole not having something I can turn on. That's like, okay, now it's extra double plus won't move.
So pretty.
It's so oily. Yeah. I have a lot of surplus medical tubing for reasons.
Yeah. I think that's right. We just bring this guy in.
It's just weird as stuff. No, but the previous time I just pushed.
Yeah.
Take them out. Muscle into that thing. Quality tools. And I have to put wearing the proper protective footwear.
Right? Yeah, I was. Oh, yeah.
On your toes. It'll be fine. I'm going to jockey that way a little bit. I'm going to use the fact that we can do the weird, funky-ass parallax tire shit. I just figured out how to do it. I might as well fucking use it.
Parallel with high head drive. That's such a weird, like, awesome thing.
I guess the door comes off.
Yeah, there's that. I would just put one over the neck here. Like,
oh, I'm actually thinking like, I'm thinking like decoration. Well, I'm worried about it tilting, not worried about it sliding.
Right.
So what I'm thinking is like around the fork, under, around, over.
I mean, it might help.
Even if it doesn't help, it makes me feel better about myself. And you know what? That's enough.
In that case, I'm at it.
I don't want to be a guy who's like, oh, I just dropped our heat expensive. You mean it's not impact resistant? Oh, I want my money back.
I had a total visual, like, morning of
So, in other words, what you're telling me is you can now see the future.
I can see the worst case scenario.
We put it on the roller. You have to put it on the forward because the roller's so clear. I will play for you the song of my people! Yeah, I might have gotten a little overzealous with the strap. Where did I put my soda? It's totally working. Where the fuck did I put my soda?
I'm afraid I can't help you with that.
Well then what use are you? Yeah, we should probably actually take off all the straps. Because if I want to boom down, I don't want these like going, whoa!
Yeah, pop.
Oh, here it is. Or if it isn't, this isn't it. It's sufficiently fresh that it's cold. So I'm just gonna say,
Close enough.
yeah. You want to pop that strap up?
Yeah, I would feel better if you weren't under it when I did this.
If I weren't what?
If you weren't under it when I pop it.
I'm not under it.
Okay. Alright, those 4x4s are good?
This one, I don't. I have to, I think.
How about buttons? No,
It's fine. It's not under enough tension for me to be worried.
there was nothing, yeah. You're under any tension.
Give me your strap.
Alright.
Your strap.
Alright,
Give them to me. All your straps are belong to us. Yeah, I'm gonna have to actually come up a little bit because the this side is a little lower.
Okay.
I can't quite get that 4x4 under there.
Maybe you can twist it.
The twisty scares me because I don't know which way is which way, and I don't want to go. Meow.
Yeah. Alright, fair enough. I mean,
yeah.
you only need another inch or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're already inside, so you're clear.
Yeah, I'm under most of it. It's just a little tilted. But 21 event, we put this all the way down and the cement cracks.
That would be not ideal.
That would just be the total perfect day topper right there, man.
Yeah, so just bring it up a couple inches. I'll go in, perfect, I'll go in and kick it. Go ahead, lower. Yeah, it's leaning back a bit. Wait, let me check that you're not caught. No, you're good. You're just, it's just that the right side lowered first and you're a little caught back, so you can cock it forward and lower. Right, you're pretty much on. Just keep cocking it forward. Keep bringing it forward. A little bit more. Okay, we're on. That's alright. Okay, that's it. You're clear. Stop right over.
It's in. It has transformers. I just love like the redonkulous transformers this shit has.
Yeah, those things are giant.
Yeah. It's like, well, there's all your weight. Yeah, this takes up the entire shed. I have 0 space left.
That's hilarious.
Well, I still think we can move it, maybe.
I mean, honestly, Connor.
Yeah, let's just knock the door off the back.
Yeah, you don't need a fucking door. And this can go right up to here.
Yeah. Let's go, plugs!
That's so funny.
Yeah.
Can you like plug your reading lamp?
Yeah, well, yeah, or like a DRO or some shit.
It's the DRO.
Digital readout. Dude, you use them. How do you not know what it's called?
I mean, acronyms.
Yeah, so, yeah, let me, it's spot welded in on the inside. But it's just these, I can oh, you don't have to, they're not drilled, they're hex heads.
Oh. It's not ripped.
No, it's got nuts on the inside too. Like, just go grab my, actually, you know what, let's just do that. I have a set of nut drivers just in the kitchen. Yeah. Because that's where nut drivers go, in the kitchen. I'm hungry. You know, the other nice thing is this was actually made in America, like not recently, which means it's probably entirely standard. Also, you're getting in the shop. You know, so it probably, you know, I don't actually have to ever be like, is this metric or what? Like they do for everything you buy ever now. Like, I don't really care. I wish they'd just pick one standard and, like, not be shits about it.
Yeah.
Like, metric's really nice. I actually like metric better from a usage standpoint. I don't care. I just want one. Let's not have 2 anymore. Yeah, so I'm thinking we can, like, strap down to a cement anchor and just yank this thing.
I don't have any faith that that's going to work at all, but okay.
Hey, you know what? And we have all this wonderful cross ventilation. I think we should make this wall, we should just make the walls permanently attached.
Yeah.
I think the shed's a lot nicer without it.
Yeah.
I'm kind of like, you were like, can we put windows in? And I'm like, I'm more inclined now.
Yeah, see? Yeah, and see where the sun is. It's like, it shines right in.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess, I think that bench can stay, but the server table will have to go. But the
server table will have to go. The bench is a bit on the close side, but if we can bring this back.
Yeah, I think if we can make another foot of space, we're good. I think this might actually be largely attached by oil. Okay.
There's one on the top too.
Yeah, I know. I left that one for last because I didn't want it falling everywhere.
Does that make sense?
See, I'm actually, look at what I'm doing here. I'm actually saving all the bits. Make them drive
I
me
feel
nuts.
like this door was not loading very much anyway.
Yeah. Well, you know, we do have the other part.
What other part?
We can unbreak it. We can make it pretty and immaculate and stock again with just some super glue.
Look at all the...
Yeah, it looks like somebody put some paper towels down there to catch any oil leakage and then forgot about them, like in 1970.
Actually, I think it's attached. I think it's like...
I don't know.
Oh no, those are just...
There's completely a paper towel down there.
No, you're right.
It's the worst paper towel ever.
It's goobered. There's a little leak hole.
Yeah, I
You
think
can put a
that's...
bucket under there, or put like a hose.
Well, I think ideally, you know, it doesn't leak.
Ideally, it doesn't leak, but yeah, probably
This
won't
fucking-
Yeah, just toss that back.
I already have enough holes with short enough holes in the ends. Don't ask why. Ooh, that's warm. I love this switch so much. Thunk. Thunk. Yeah, so let's get to, is it cell phone over? You keep looking at your phone, and that's generally what that signifies.
Yeah. Am I gonna be here in an hour?
I think we should go get lunch.
Okay.
You know, I think we can just leave that there for a moment. We can dig it out at some point. Or just pretend we don't know how it got there. Oh, I love that switch. I love all the relays. Yeah, so the nice thing is it looks like this is, like black is our primary mains. So I think I can trace this out of the issue to got a contact over there and that goes up there.
So the power comes in through this
Yeah.
conduit
Yeah.
thing, bulkhead thing,
Mhm.
whatever you know what you call it. And then
Yes.
plugs into the top of this?
Yeah. See these two come off?
Okay, right.
Because the idea is that when this is down, the only exposed line is way in there and you can't stick your finger in there
Yeah.
and make yourself
Make yourself.
Yeah, so obviously we have big heavy line going down to the top of that transformer, which actually I think goes through this contactor. So this is actually a big relay.
So
the
what
pro-
does that do?
That switches all three phases.
But I mean, what's this big contactor?
It's a switch, it's a relay. A contactor is the word that people who don't really understand electronics use for relays.
But I mean, it's when you turn it on, it like chunks in one direction. or-
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, I think it's actually. I actually don't know how it works, but yeah, it's basically a really big, really high braking current relay.
As are all of those things. Well,
But those are like that's like the giant modulator. Those are just like relays, and it's just like a relay.
I mean, the only relays I've ever worked with were like 3 to a chip this big, so.
I'm just noticing that.
Yeah, that's a cable that's been chopped. I mean, there's also this. I guess that's.
I suspect some of this is aftermarket. Oh, I know what a lot of this is for. My money's on that. I bet that's the power. Yeah, that's the power that goes into the spread loop.
What is this other one?
Which one?
Middle bottom, the one that's cut?
It's cut on the other side too.
Oh, it's just going, yeah. It goes to nothing!
Yes.
Well, I mean, we have an extra.
I guess we have a feed through then.
Yeah, filter.
Hey, check it out. It's got an acid tag. Huh. I don't know what that's from. Oh, this is the tag from the this thing.
So what are these two? They're
So
different
this
kinds of
is
oil?
this is one shot. This is a one shot oil system. So what this does is that squirts oil out into the waves under high hydraulic pressure. So it's actually, this is the entire output you can see. So actually if we follow that, it actually looks like this goes up into the head, so I'm not entirely certain what it does. I might have flooded the head with oil for no good reason. Because I was pumping it a bunch of times just as a precaution. Honest.
I mean, whatever. It can't.
Yeah.
I mean, it can't hurt it.
It will. It's now extra double plus rust free.
It might. Yeah, it might dribble.
That's fine. It
Yeah.
could dribble on the floor in here.
Okay.
That's what this here in here is for.
Sweet.
Yeah. So that's. But this is just the spray.
Yeah,
with
that's
system.
the cutter fluid.
The ridiculously exorbitant.
Yeah. What?
Yeah. It's. I guess. I
What's
don't
with
know.
the two? Like.
One is air and one is
Oh,
fluid.
okay. Is this shop air?
Yeah, I believe so.
Are you gonna bother with it?
Probably. I mean, see, here's where.
You don't have a compressor, do you?
Yeah. It's
Do
just. Yeah, right there. It's just very, very small. It's nowhere near big enough.
It's not big enough.
No.
Not for this?
No, this thing would kick its ass.
What?
That, are you kidding? That compressor's like half a CFM. It's like me. It's basically only useful for cleaning my computer, which is why I bought it. It was $15 on Craigslist.
Well, what is this?
Huh?
What's the flow rate on this thing?
Probably lots.
It's
I bet we
20
could-
PSI.
I bet it would tell us under the scunge.
Yeah.
I'll probably pull most of this out and clean it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this here because I'm gonna go in here with some paper towels and maybe buy some brake cleaner.
Okay. So we're not gonna split it today.
No.
That's fine.
I mean, worst case, I'll have to just buy a really, really, really big crowbar. Because that's apparently a way you can move machines. I've seen people do it on YouTube.
Yeah, just slide it with a crowbar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we have nicely flat cement and
Yeah, it slid.
yeah.
Sweet.
How's it look?
We're gonna have to take everything else out of the shed. But
Yeah, cool.
I think that workbench can maybe stay if it comes a foot this way, which it can now that we took the door off the back of the lubricant system.
Huh.
But yeah, it's big. It's way bigger than you think it is until you put it in place.
Yeah.
But hey, at least my shed has Wi-Fi. Seriously, that's actually what this box is.
I see. And I believe.
And the only reason it has Wi-Fi is because the power monitor for my servers needs to speak Wi-Fi, and this aluminium wall insulation makes just a wonderful Faraday cage.
Huh.
You close the door in here and you get no cell phone reception.
Really?
Yeah. It's pretty funny, actually.
That's
Kind of cool.
Yeah, so I actually have, it's not wired, but I have a,
yeah, like breaker for the.
so the shed has 30 amp service. It has 30 amp 220 service. I have, each of the walls gets 20 amps, so all the outlets are 15 amps because fuck code. Because I'm a bad person. There's 10 amps for the lights, which don't really matter because they're not on right now. And that's just because I wanted to buy a 5 amp breaker in this style, and you can't. Apparently, like these sort of breakers,
They're just the big ones.
yeah, apparently they don't really get that much smaller.
So is this the plug for that guy?
Yeah, that's a 220 volt plug. We don't have any 3-phase plugs because I need a rotary phase converter.
Right.
Remember?
Well, yeah.
And then here's my nice diagram of which plugs are wired to what, which actually aren't labeled, so I don't know which one of these switches which half. I accidentally reset the servers when I was undoing that wiring to move football. Oops. Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah. Here's the cowling. With a little fried crack in it. Now, it seems like the only other thing that needs air is this.
Yeah.
And the only thing that seems to run is, so it runs the spindle brake. Yeah, that's the input. It runs the spindle brake and.
We need the air for the spindle brake.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I mean, that's what that other lever over there is.
Is the spindle brake manual?
No, it doesn't.
I mean, is it? I mean, it's pneumatic, but is it computer controlled?
Yeah.
Weird.
Yeah, I mean that's my point, which is you have a little air motor over there which adjusts the spindle speed,
Yeah.
and you have that piston.
Oh yeah, that's right. Here's the switch box for the
Yeah.
for the breakout for the for the. This is just the brake control.
No, it also controls the speed. The speed is controlled with a pneumatic air motor, for reasons.
Oh wait, that's on this side.
Yeah.
Right. Because the pneumatic air actually turns the speed dial.
Yeah.
That is so weird.
I know, isn't it?
That is
Like,
so weird.
I guess they had air, and they probably have like a tachometer on there, so they just run it until it's roughly what they want.
Yeah. How weird is that?
Yeah, it's kind of odd. Kind of want to take the cover, the nameplate off. I wonder if there's holes in
Does
there.
that bug you?
No,
No.
I'm curious.
Oh yeah. Well, take the. Don't just break it.
It's already broken.
Don't break the rest of it.
I pushed it into place.
Take the thingies. Take the thingies. Oh god, you suck. Oh yeah, there you go.
That's cool. So we can actually look into the head. I can see into its insides. Yeah. So this I don't know why it's got 3 valves. It should have 4 valves.
Also, it's 2 for the motor and 1 for the brake.
Yeah, but the brake is a dual acting piston.
Hmm.
Because it's got 2 hoses going to it.
Oh no, it's either. Yeah. Well, maybe the pneumatic is just to switch the direction.
Yeah, I guess. Maybe it pulls in one direction or pulls in the other.
Yeah.
Which actually would make sense because if I do this,
It'll kind of hang.
you hear the sound?
Yeah. Oh right. Pushing.
It's coming out somewhere. And we also have push to operate. I push you. It didn't operate very effectively at this point.
Yay. There's
Yeah,
a
so,
CNC on your concrete.
Yeah.
Can I put the wall back?
Yeah. That was way more of an affair than it really should have been.
What?
The whole CNC affair. Getting this here?
Well, if I had known that we needed this one first.
Yeah, well, yeah, if we had any fucking clue what we were doing.
There's that.
Yeah.
Do you want to sweep or anything before we put the wall back?
Hold on a second.
We could clear up this channel so that it's not so.
It's fine, I have a vacuum. I bought this thing on eBay, I might as well use it. I don't think that's a problem.
Not so really.
I don't know what you're doing it for.
Leave this.
So yeah, congratulations, East. You're going to be a YouTube star. You don't mind if I, like, I mean, my name's attached on much. You don't mind if I have you on it, do you?
I like the
Yeah, I know. Isn't it handy?
angular angle.
Oh, the perception and the direction?
Very handy.
Yeah. It turns out that, like, the reason I've been not blowing out in front of the house is because getting the extension cord out is such a pain in the butt. So I'm like, I'm just gonna buy that. It was like $60, $70. It uses the battery that all my drills use.
Oh, that's convenient.
Yeah, well, I bought it batteryless, which is why it was cheap. Cool. Yeah. I wish you hadn't dug that trench out. Now it's stuck in it.
Sorry.
You bastard.
You want me to go over there and help lift?
Yeah. You want to go on the inside and help me?
Yeah.
Fine. That's good enough. So the ratchet strap will pull the rest of it. Whoa, whoa, hello. Yeah, maybe don't let that happen.
Yeah, I just got it.
You trying to drop the wall? Are you trying to kill me and inherit the CNC?
No, that was all wind. Well, not me.
Yes, excuses.
I have them. Use them.
Yeah, okay. So. Ish, the wall is not a drum machine.
Everything with a drum machine.
Yeah, so, here. So this goes through the, you have to put that through the loop because the hooks won't fit.
Yeah.
And then once we got it a little ways up, the roof will catch it. It won't blow over all the way. Alright. You have yours tight?
Yeah.
So you want to kind of get the top half in. You kind of want to align the top half because the top. What is it stuck on? You got to come up a little further. Don't worry about dirt. I have a vacuum. Okay, so what is? Something's caught the top. Let me go out there and just body slam it.
Okay.